In this video, we will show you how to update the software on a Watson-Marlow 530EN Ethernet IP or PN Profinet case pump. To update the software, you will need a USB memory drive of 32GB or less, formatted to FAT32. Before commencing the update procedure, make a note of your current pump configuration settings, as they will reset as part of the update. Begin by formatting your USB memory drive. Select FAT32. Copy the software onto your USB memory drive. Ensure there are no changes to the folder structure and naming system. Ensure the pump is off. Remove the USB protective cover on the rear of the pump. Insert the USB memory drive into the socket. Switch the pump on. Select Menu. Select General Settings. Navigate to USB Update and select. Confirm Update. A progress bar will show the status of the update. This can take up to 15 minutes. Select Menu. Navigate to Help. Select Software. You can confirm the installed software version. Select Home. Select Menu. Navigate to General Settings and select. Navigate to Restore Defaults. Select Confirm. Select Reconfirm. Once reset, turn off the pump. Remove the USB memory drive. Replace the protective cover. Turn on the pump. You can now reinsert your preferred configurations. Thanks for watching.